Trader, the hottest ETF on the planet, testing that 200-day moving average, and boy, did that thing rip up day 5. We can still continue to move higher. I can tell you the wall of worry has been propelling them. That is the downtrend where we call the last reversal on the site. Okay, and semi stocks went right along with the semi SMH holder there. So shorter term, we could break up to the moving averages. That's a top that goes right across here where this down bar started the down move. I'll activate the alert. Once again, they lead bull markets, they lead bear markets. They've had an extraordinary rally. At this point in time on this chart, as we can see it, we have more upside to go. In fact, this is where it really was and how it got smashed, and boy, did we call that one correct. Yes, we did. Now we're giving everybody a warning that we've had 5 positive days of strong volume to the upside to go with it, bouncing off of that key moving average. We have more upside. Once again, be cautious, beware. September, the end of September can be not very good, and I don't see a good October for stocks.